Hi, welcome to today's session. Today's question is, a Poisson variable x has mean equal to 1 by 2. Consider the following for y is equal to 2x. So here it is given that expected value of y is equal to 1, variance of y is equal to 4, mu3 of y is equal to 4, and mu4 of y is equal to 28. So from the given statements about y, we need to pick the correct statements or correct statement. So in order to find out the expectations variance mu3 and mu4 of y, we have given the mean of y. So it is given that, mean of x. So it is given that the random variable x follows Poisson distribution with the mean is equal to 1 by 2. That is lambda is equal to 1 by 2. So we know that for a Poisson distribution, mu1 dash is equal to mu2. That is, for a Poisson distribution, mean is equal to variance. So here mean is given that mu1 dash is equal to 1 by 2. So automatically the value of variance will be again 1 by 2. And one more thing, we need to find out that mu3 and mu4. So let's find out the mu3 and mu4 of x. If a random variable x follows Poisson distribution with the parameter, if a random variable x follows Poisson distribution with the parameter lambda, then mu1 dash will be lambda, mu2 will be again lambda, mu3 that also again will be lambda. So for a Poisson distribution, mean, variance and mu3 values will be lambda. And mu4 value will be, mu4 is equal to lambda plus 3 lambda square. So the derivations, how we are getting the value of mu1 dash, mu2, mu3 and mu4 are already given in the Gupta and Kapoor book detailedly. So let's by heart all these values. That will be only the easy thing to solve these type of questions within the stipulated time. So you remember this points that for a Poisson distribution, mean is equal to lambda, variance is equal to lambda, mu3 is equal to lambda, and the value of mu4 will be lambda plus 3 lambda square. Okay, so this is in case of a random variable x which follows a Poisson distribution with the parameter lambda. So here in this question, we need to find out this mean, variance, mu3 and mu4 for the random variable y. So y and x are related such that y is equal to 2x, right? So from this relation, we can find that expected value of y will be expected value of y, that is mu1 dash. Expected value of y is equal to expected value of 2x, right? That is y is equal to 2x. That relation is already given in this question. So 2 is a constant that can be taken outside the expectation. So which can be written as 2 into expected value of x. So expected value of x, that is already, we know, it is already given in the question. That is mu1 dash is equal to 1 by 2. So the expected value of y will be 2 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 1. So we get expected value of y, mean of y as 1. So the first statement is correct. Right, that is expected value of y is equal to 1. And the next step is to find out, to check whether variance of y is equal to 4 or not. We know that for variance of y is equal to variance of 2x, right? So y is equal to 2x. So that can be written as 2 square into variance of x. So it will be 2 square is 4, 4 into variance of x is, we know that it is again 1 by 2. That is given in this table. That is variance of x is equal to 1 by 2. So 4 into 1 by 2, it will be 2. Okay, so we get variance of y as 2. But in this question it is given as 4. So it is a wrong statement. Okay. Then the next task is to check whether mu3 of y is 4 or not. So we can write mu3 as, we know that mu3 can be written as mu3 is equal to, sorry, that is mu3 can be written as mu3 is equal to expected value of x minus mu3 of x I am writing. In general term I am writing. Okay. So mu3 for random variable x. For random variable x, mu3 is equal to expected value of y x minus expected value of x whole cube. If it is mu4, that can be written as mu4 is equal to, in terms of expectation, it can be written as expected value of x minus expected value of x all raised to 4, right? So here we need to find out mu3 of y. So it can be written as, for random variable y, for random variable y, mu3 is equal to expected value of y minus expected value of y whole cube, right? So it can be again rewritten as y, we know y is nothing but 2x. 2x minus expected value of y. Expected value of y is 1. So expected value of y, it is 1 whole cube, right? So when we take 2 outside of this cube and it is this expectation term, we get it as 2 cube. Here cube is coming. So 2 cube into expected value of x minus, here 2 is taking outside. So 1 will become 1 by 2 whole cube. So what this term? Expected value of x minus 1 by 2 whole cube. It is nothing but mu3 of x, right? So we can again rewrite it as 2 cube into, it is mu3 of x. We know that mu3 of x is nothing but lambda. So we can substitute this value here. 2 cube into lambda is nothing but 1 by 2. So 2 cube is 8 into 1 by 2. It will get the value of mu3 of y as 4. So here the third statement is correct. That is mu3 of y is 4. So then last task is to check whether mu4 of y is 28 or not. So let's do that again. So mu4, that is mu4 of y can be written as mu4 of y is equal to expected value of y minus expected value of y all raised to 4. So expected value of y is nothing but 2x minus expected value of y is 1. 1 all raised to 4. So let's take 2 to the power 4 outside. So 2 to the power 4 into expected value of, here only when we take 2 outside, only x will be remaining, x minus 1 by 2 to the power 4. So this is nothing but expected mu 4 of x. So the value will be 2 to the power 4 into expected value of x minus 1 by 2 to the power 4 is mu 4 of x. So we can write 2 to the power 4 into mu 4 of x. So 2 to the power 4 into mu 4 of x. Mu 4 of x is nothing but lambda plus 3 lambda square. So let's substitute the value here. So 2 to the power 4 into lambda is nothing but 1 by 2 plus 3 into 1 by 2 square. That is 1 by 4. So it will become 2 to the power 4 is 16 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. So it will become 16 into you can cross multiply this one. So 10 by 8. So it will become 20. Okay, so mu 4 of y is, we get as 20. But in the statement, it is given as 28. So this is a wrong statement. So only 1 and 3 are correct. That is, expected value of y is equal to 1, mu 3 of y is equal to 4. So only 1 and 3 are the correct. So the question is, which of the above statements are correct? So option C is the right answer. I hope all of you understood how to solve this type of questions. Okay.